financial derivatives, concept of risk. Risk makes it very difficult for company managers to forecast future cash flows, which is essential for making appropriate financial decisions on when to finance new instruments, how to finance the investment, whether to pay dividends or so on. Therefore, risk management is crucial to the ability of business to successfully manage its operations. All businesses face risk because they operate in the world of uncertainty. The risk that the business faces can be classified into four major categories. They are: number one, operating or business risk. Operating or business risk means the risk imposed on business because of economic cycles and business cycles, and the risk affect all businesses in an industry during an economic downturn. Most people's wealth will decrease, resulting in the lower demand for goods and services provided by most companies. Conversely, a turnaround in economy results in increased wealth and increased demand for goods and services, and consequently increased sales and revenue. This is called as operating or business risk. And the next one is event risk. Event risk. Event risk means the event risk occurs when a foreseen event arises and affect both the revenue and the cash flow of the firm. For example, Japanese auto manufacturers who gained a foothold in the American market with their small cars, a segment those American manufacturers had not explored. And third one is price risk. Price risk. Price risk is a major risk faced by business, and it refers to the risk of price changes in inputs and outputs that have an impact on business cash flow. The cash flow can be affected by the following reasons. They are changes in the price of commodity, inputs and outputs. And next one, changes in the price of financial instruments. Changes in interest rates. And next, fourth, changes in currency exchange rates. So these are the reasons. Cash flows can be affected by changes in the price of commodity inputs and outputs, changes in the price of financial instruments, changes in the interest rates, and changes in the currency exchange rates. And next one, the fourth one is credit risk. Credit risk means many businesses provide credit to customers who are considered creditworthy and conform to the standard set by the company. However, The credit standing of the customer may change after the credit granted, and this may prevent even a very good credit worthy customer from paying the due amount. This is particularly true for banks and grant banks and banks that grants credit to a number of customers. The unpredictability of the credit worthiness of a customer causes credit risk. Many credit derivatives have been introduced to reduce credit risks.